If you have been feeling numb, blocked, or cut off from your own joy, that is about to change. In the next 20 minutes, the part of you that creates, feels, and delights in life will gently come back to life. So stay with me. Don't go anywhere. Everything begins to shift with your very next breath. Take a slow breath in, and as you exhale, let your hips and your belly soften completely. Feel that? That gentle loosening low in your body. That is your sacral energy beginning to flow again. Do it once more. Breathe in and release. By the end of this, you will feel warm, open, and alive with creative energy. Here is our journey together. First, we will warm and awaken the Sacral Chakra just below your navel. Then, we will let its orange light dissolve any emotional blocks you have been holding. And finally, we will restore your natural flow of creativity, pleasure, and joy. Let yourself settle in now. Let's begin. Now imagine a warm, glowing orange light just below your navel, the color of a setting sun on the water. With every breath, it grows and begins to move like gentle waves, flowing, swirling, warm and alive. Feel this warmth spreading through your hips, your lower belly, your whole center, like sinking into warm water that washes away every tension, every block, every held emotion. Let these warm orange waters flow freely now. Wherever you have felt stuck, frozen, or numb, the water reaches there, softening, melting, freeing. There is nothing to force. Just let the current move through you, carrying away what no longer serves you, and leaving warmth and ease in its place. This is your center of emotion. It is safe to feel here. Allow any emotion that wishes to rise to simply rise and pass through you like a wave returning to the sea. You do not need to hold it or judge it. Let the orange light hold it for you and gently let it go. Feel the creative energy reawakening within you. This is the source of your imagination, your passion, your ability to create and enjoy. Picture the orange light glowing brighter, restoring your natural flow. You are creative. You are alive. Life moves through you with ease. Now silently repeat these words and feel their truth settle into you. I allow myself to feel. I embrace joy and pleasure. I flow with the changes of life. I am creative, passionate, and alive. I deserve to experience delight. Let these words ripple through your sacral center like warm water. Notice how different your center feels now. Warm, open, and flowing where it once felt blocked. The numbness has softened into warmth. The stillness has become gentle movement. This is your sacral chakra, restored and balanced. Feel the quiet joy of being fully alive in your body. Rest here now, floating in this warm orange light. There is nothing to do, nowhere to be. Just feel the gentle flow of energy moving freely through you, balanced and whole. Let it hold you. Let it remind you that joy and creativity are always within your reach. Slowly begin to return. Let the orange light settle into a calm, steady glow. Take a deeper breath and gently move your fingers and toes. Carry this warmth and flow with you. This was the second step of our chakra journey. The next awaits whenever you are ready. When you feel ready, softly open your eyes. Take care and be well.